You may want to de-wax your lemons to remove the glossy layer on the skin before cooking a meal or mixing a cocktail. To de-wax lemons, first fill a tea kettle or pot with water. Place the pot or kettle on the stove and heat it over high heat until it reaches a boil. While you're waiting, get a strainer or colander and set your lemons inside. Place the colander or strainer over your sink. Once the water is boiling, remove the pot or kettle and slowly pour the water over your lemons. Then, turn some cold water on and run it over the lemons. After 10 to 15 seconds, pick your first lemon up and brush each side with a clean vegetable brush. Rinse the lemon, set it aside to dry, and begin scrubbing the remaining lemons. Once your lemons are dry, inspect their texture to make sure you removed all of the wax. You can repeat this process if necessary to get rid of the waxy texture.